Happy Tuesday, everybody. Sorry I've been gone for a couple weeks, but took the family down south to warm up, to return and come back to this. But anyways, welcome back. Today wanted to cover your air conditioner. So in the wintertime, we cover those. Some people use a board and throw a brick on top of that, or I went to Amazon and bought the actual vinyl sheet that goes over top of it and clips down on all sides of the AC. Now, before summer starts, you're gonna have a bunch of pollen, stuff in the air from trees and plants that are gonna be swirling around. They get clogged up in that AC unit. Before you run your AC unit this year, A, make sure you take your cover off, but B, and most importantly, is take your garden hose and spray that thing all the way around. As you're doing it, you're gonna see all the junk come out the bottom, yellow stuff, bugs, dirt, whatnot. If you don't do that, those things get clogged and makes your AC work so much harder. And it will definitely make you have to have a service call. So make sure you spray that down with your hose. Don't use a power washer because we don't want to damage anything in there, but your garden hose with the nozzle, you should be good to go. We'll see you next Tuesday. Comment if you like and ask questions if you have any. We'll get back to you. Thank you and have a great day.